Okay, let's go.
So as you can see, we are frying some chicken, but I'm not going to keep it fried. I'm about to make some smothered chicken, and this is how I do mine. Now you could either follow or you could do your own thing. Doesn't really matter as long as you have confidence in the kitchen. So my chicken is done. So we'll remove it and put it on a paper towel so it can drain. That one doesn't want to come out, wants to cook some more. We will add the chicken to a pan as best we can. Make some room in here for all of them to fit. And of course we seasoned this chicken, but we're going to season it some more. We're going to get even those crumbs in there because that's for the gravy. We're going to add our chicken broth. That's about a half a container. Okay, it's all in there. We'll add some thyme. And of course, we're going to add some seasonings. Allspice. Yeah, a good 10 of them would do. Our jerk seasoning, because we love this seasoning. Some garlic. Onion powder. Our basil flakes. The old school gravy master. A little bit over here, a little bit over there. And we're going to check it just to make sure the color is not too dark. Yep, see, that's a nice brown. Yep, that's a good one. And now we can just cover it and let it simmer. Oh, wait, we got to add our onions, red peppers, and green peppers. As much as you like. I'm going to make sure I get all those onions in there. Yes, all the onions, because it's not that many. And now we'll cover it. And voila! Just 45 minutes later, we have smothered chicken. So let's see how this gravy is doing. Is that thick enough for you? It's thick enough for me. Smells delicious. Let me give you a closer look of that gravy. Look at that. Can you imagine over some potatoes? Oh, yes. This was definitely umami. Here, I'll let you taste. Delicious. Next up, mashed potatoes. And not just any mashed potatoes. We're going to make these garlic mashed potatoes. So first, We boiled our potatoes for like 20, 30 minutes. And then we are peeling them while they're hot. It comes right off. The key to good mashed potatoes is assuring that your potatoes have boiled long enough. They should cut easily. It's okay if you have chunks, because those chunks will be delicious as well. We add a little chicken stock to ours. Okay, just a little. Adding stock adds tons of flavor. The whole stick. I prefer to mash mine a little bit at a time so it's not too chunky, but you can do as you like. It's all good. We will add some heavy cream, not too much, because it will loosen up the potatoes some. And you don't want them too loose because then they will not stand up to that amazing gravy I made. You don't want it running all over the plate. So this is some roasted garlic that I made, real simple and easy. I should have cut them up, but I didn't. But they tend to be really soft, so they'll smash up in here. And of course, we have garlic on garlic because we love our garlic. Yes, lots of garlic. Potatoes need salt, so there we go. Of course, I added more later. Our basil flakes. I love basil. It makes everything taste so good. And although I use fresh, sometimes this didn't call for fresh. It's a little tight, so we added a little bit more heavy cream. And here's where we add additional salt. This looks good to me. Let's taste it. Honeylicious delicious. So now we're going to saute some cabbage with carrots and onions, or fry cabbage, however you want to call it. So we're placing some olive oil in the pan. We add about a tablespoon of butter. Then we add all our cabbage. It was a small head. And of course, we're going to add some thyme leaves. We'll add some jerk seasoning and other seasonings as well. But this is the first one. Lawry's seasoning salt. We'll add our carrots. Give a little stir. See what we're working with. Garlic. Our basil flakes. We had some leftover red peppers and green peppers, so we'll throw those in too. We'll add a little sugar. See, just sugar. Not much, just a little to bring out that sweetness in the cabbage. Now how that big leaf get in there? We'll fix that right now with the kitchen shears. Easy, 1, 2, 3. If you know, you know. If you don't, add some. Taste the difference. Forgot to add my onions, but here they go. Now I'm noticing too much juice in this pan. So we're going to pour this off and continue to saute or fry our cabbage. If you leave it, it's just going to steam. That's better. Okay. We're done. We have our smothered chicken over garlic mash. We have our cabbage, and we have some homemade biscuits. Little taste test. Let's see. This is chicken, smothered chicken with mashed garlic potatoes, cabbage, and I forgot what this vegetable
yummy,
is.
Y'all.
But
it's yummy.
Oh, carrots.
Yum. I'm going to eat. Bye.
And I'm going with her. Ciao for now. Please subscribe, like, and share.
That's my thing.
Okay, come on. Be sure to
Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. And if you like...
Last time, I'm hungry. Be sure to
like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. So, if you like what you see here, share.
share. Ciao for now.